And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is right now Sunday, February the 27th, 2022. It's exactly 5:32 p.m. and we are here at Square Victoria Metro Station facing towards Bonaventure. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a green light flashing over there and a section of tracks down there. That's because there's a part of the track that's damaged. And apparently we have some trains coming in very slowly to the station because there's a section of track that's damaged. So I'm going to try to film this very slow approach while showing you the nice green light there that's in effect. Alright, so there you have it. And of course you can hear the train now going to manual mode, or leaving manual mode, because of the fact that it had to enter manual mode to come in here at a slow speed. And I don't think this train over here on the other side is affected. It's only on this side of the track here that I'm on, so I'm going to go back on the other side, get another view from the train of that green light, and then get an actual video being on the metro facing this way as we slowly approach the station. And I'll link all the videos together. Well, we're at Bonaventure Station now. Look at that, there's an orange beacon light spinning around to indicate a speed limit which is coming up. We're going to see it on this train here. So you can hear the train switching to manual mode right now, and you're going to see it's going to be a very slow train ride between here at Bonaventure and the next station, Square Victoria.
Prochaine station, Square Victoria, OACI.
And the reason why, again, is there's a section of track that's damaged. And they put a metal casing over it temporarily until tonight, when they're going to be doing proper maintenance. So this is a safety precaution. A very nice slow approach between these two stations.
Station Square Victoria, OACI.
Alright, so hope you enjoyed that. That's a very unique thing to see, especially those lights in the tunnel. The green one and then the orange strobe light. Very cool.